Well, good. So Mr. Vegas is so not here for Joe Bogdanovich's public statement, which is really an apology to Bounty Killer after Ishawna's performance at Reggae Sumfest and the feedback that's been circulated. This is Mr. Vegas' take on it.
Alright, so watch this now. Dancehall, what them name, magazine, whatever them name, see? Dancehall magazine, watch this now. Bogdanovich apologizes to Bounty Killer for Ishawna's disrespectful behavior at Reggae Sumfest. Right, so Bogdanovich apologized, right? Boom. See? So this next one, Bounty Killer responds to Ishawna, and what he had to say was not pretty. See? So what him say? See? Well, this way General Poop put out, see? We Jamaicans likes to take bad things and make jokes, but when bad things happen do we find it funny? Thanks to growth and maturity, so at this age I only act and not react. Jamaicans, y'all says how we rate the general for his contributions to the poor and the development of other artists, etc. Then y'all sat there laughing how a little fly batty pissing tail dancehall mattress, which styled me right here in Jamaica, who claim them love and rate me. That's why I had nothing to say. I leave you all to God and time away with my ignorance and welcome my intellect. Just watch that style here. Desperation has one destination, downward spiral, Bounty Road. Let me read it again. We Jamaicans likes to take bad things and make jokes, but when bad things happens, do we find it funny? Thanks to growth and maturity, so at this age I only act and not react. Jamaicans, you all says we rate the general for his contributions to the poor and the development of other artists, etc. Then you all sat there laughing how a little fly batty pissing tail dancehall mattress which style dance. Let me read that again. Then you all sat there laughing how a little fly by pissing tail dancehall mattress which styled me right here at Jamaica, who claim them love and rate me. Let me read it again. Just one more time. Read one more time. Zin. Deep breath. Ready? Then y'all sat there laughing our little flyby. One more time. This is go for TikTok. This is go for TikTok, I swear. This is go for This is go for TikTok, I swear. Watch this now. One more breath. Then y'all sat there laughing our fly. Cho. One more time. Then y'all sat there laughing our little fly. Cho. Then y'all sat there laughing our little fly batty pissing tail dancehall mattress which styled me right here at Jamaica, who claim them love and rate me. That's why I had nothing to say. I leave y'all to God and time away with my ignorance and welcome my intellect. Just watch that style here. Desperation has one destination, downward spiral. The intellect, General Poop, is now an intellect. Alright? Now, we'll find weird and strange. Me see some little groupie man. I go out and I make video at this Ishawna. Uno groupie man, we go out and I make video for this Ishawna. See, I say Ishawna this say Ishawna this general Poop. See? What the video them did there when Because it's not long ago, General put this up a portion of people on the same internet. When you had phone, when you had the internet era, when you had all kind of things. When you don't make no video, you know. When you don't make no video when General Poop, this nobody, you know. But the sister now, this General Poop and the whole of you make video and a post on the social media page for get likes, for get views, for get comments, for people run on the page come talk about, yeah man, a real thing man, disrespect. One video did there when General Poop disrespect people. Yeah? BOGDANOVICH, you know. You got to apologize to Bounty Killer for Ishawna. BOGDANOVICH, stay out of this here and scatter need to educate upon General Poop. General Poop go on stage in Jamaica and this every artist in the industry where him claims him not like. Every artist, him go on stage go disrespect Patrick Roberts, right? Him go on stage go disrespect Beanie Man. Him go on stage and disrespect Baby Sham. Him go on stage and disrespect Alkaline. Him go on stage and disrespect Ishawna. Him go on stage and disrespect Vegas. Him go on stage and disrespect Lexus. Him go on stage and disrespect everybody in the industry where him don't like. So who no promoter now a come out and apologize where somebody do to Bounty Killer? I don't see a hypocrite. Who no media house now, the whole I want to take this now. I want to glad now for to General Poop answer. When I did well want General Poop for answer for when I get to post it on the page, you know. So when you can say the General hit back at Ishawna, right? When General Poop did a disrespect everybody in the dancehall, none of you media people, none of you never yet post one thing where somebody clap back. None of y'all never post when Lexus clap back. None of y'all never post when Mad Cabra clap back. None of y'all never post when Sizzler them clap back. Baby Sham them clap back. All of them people when them go back after General Poop, right? On a run now a post General Poop a disrespect. I call it woman. Let me read it one more time so when you can get it. This is how I post in a media house. This is how uno media house a post, you know. Right? Jamaicans, y'all say, oh, you rate the killer for his contribution to the poor and development. Then y'all sat there laughing, our little fly, batty, pissing tail, dancehall, mattress, witch, style me. Uno, a post, right? Uno help to proliferate this now, this picture from General Poop. Because through General Poop, see, you know, the people must say, yo, the people must laugh, cause the girl sit down on him head. Right? Sit down on him likeness and him image because of the biggest disrespect about me in a dancehall. Right? And the people them laugh and the people them had a good time because Jamaican people are no longer idiots. Right? There's a few people them on the social media were gassing up and making no things say that is the whole world. It is not the whole world. Jamaican people them know say General Poop mash up enough people boy and try mash up enough people. So General Poop take a taste of your old medicine. You have to bust your intellect now when you take the higher road. Go ahead General Poop. Right? General Poop. Remember say it's the digital money you can't lose. Because if you now go retaliate and say things now, you're going to lose a little digital money and the work on tomorrow and you forget back your little visa. You know, you're not going to get back little visa if you go out there go retaliate and act in a derogatory manner. Right? Or behave in a derogatory manner. See? So you know so you're not get back the visa for that. So stop going like say we don't know the real thing. Right? So you don't stand for nothing again. First and foremost, you went and performed the next night after somebody tarnished your image and your likeness on the same stage. You went there and performed the next night, jumping up and down like a chick man chick. You understand? That the first we ever see you jump so high. You see you jump, me see you jump and a dance. Me I say I couldn't General Poop that them this last night. One time General Poop you'd stand for something and you'd walk away and you'd never go back on the stage. You understand? First thing, some man who did a par with your General Poop back in the days, Ishawna would even think about it for this up on the stage because the man did respect you and think so you did smarty. See? Them man they respect you and think so now smarty. But all the media, dirty media house people them, all I wanna know where I run out now and I post and I proliferate this thing when him disrespect Ishawna. Where were you dirty stinking media house people when him say him shit in a angel head? Where were them? You see, uno is a type of male dominated society where they look a group of them, right? They look a male group of them and the people them will play on the radio and the people them will control the media. We have some look a groupie. I want to have agendas because General Poop now is working for the corporation. Uno have to come now and I go on like now. Uno want use where I use now for disrespect Ishawna for make it look like him take higher road and all of them things there. Media house, one of the day when him say him shit in a Ishawna in a the angel head. Eh? Where were you when him go up on stage in a Montego Bay go say him shit in the girl head? You see, una hypocrite? Una the biggest dirty hypocrite. You see? Remember say, you know, Cartel come tell we say, you know, you shit in the girl bed, you know. Right? And remember say the whole world knows say a real thing that, you know. But you say, Anna in her bed, me shit in her head. And you say that, you know. Use that out your mouth, you know. Disrespect a sister on stage, so you're shitting her head and proud of it, you know. Remember saying no General Poop. From we see you go up on verses and you walk out with the gear walk, or you walk out and you go so. We know say yo, try put in a good act. Forget back your visa, because you want the people in my foreign things say you're gone, upper embassy things say you're gone, forget back your visa. See? So we see the plan, we see you go over Safari page, Safari we twerk pan video, and you know say my twerk pan video and gone over and page gone about kaboom, kaboom, move and go. Jamaican people, them is not no fool no more, them say you sell out, them say you can't burn the fire boy again, them say you flames them out, them say you bow out. That you have to understand, that you have to accept. So you bow out and the man them not rate you again. The streets not rate you again. All the youth them we tear them boy and none of them media house and never yet put out something, right? Where the youth them say in retaliation. You understand? Even when the whole thing come out, so you get the little 14-year-old girl pregnant, back in the days, them say a long time it gone, so leave it alone. If anybody else get a 14-year-old pregnant, are still in the music and still relative in the music, or still have any form of relevance in the music, only that tear them to pieces and that say, yeah man, I be a little pitney them grown and fuck. I be a little girl them grown and breed. I don't have evidence that General Poop did it back in the days, but when you say, oh, everybody did that do it, so I don't know him do. On a media house, and the biggest dirty hypocrites them boy, one of the wickedest set of people them boy, on deal with favoritism, and that's the reason why the music fucking mash up. That's why dancehall music mash up and the Afro music around the place. That is the reason why me big up the little youth them where I do them things and now look pa the little youth them have them fan base on the internet. And that you know mad about because you know no longer have no control over the youth them, you know no longer can tell which youth what to sing, how to sing it, where to go sing, and all of them things that them make money and them don't need, you know. We're not about to be friggin' expired. That is the truth and nothing but the truth. General Poop, this the most people in a dancehall. We not trouble him. Me not even talk like somebody call him name and he go defend himself. Nobody not trouble him. Nobody never trouble this man in a dancehall. Nobody. Tell me one person will get up and just go trouble General Poop. Nobody never yet trouble him in a dancehall yet. Nobody. Everybody did rate him and respect him and everything until him start tear down the youth them. And him say it out time own him out. Who him not like, him tear down. I want to accept it and run with it. Move on the dirty hypocrite. All the way if dead and leave the earth here. One thing I know say when me dead and gone, the truth will remain here. This are gonna happen because the truth needs no defense and it don't need you know. One of the biggest dirty stinking hypocrite them in the world, and one day when the hypocrisy I go catch up on you. General Poop, you could have called woman dance and mattress and all of them things that tell you black and blue and pink and yellow. You are a Bowers and you will be known as a Bowers for the rest of your life. You know why your bowing count? Because we hear you tear down people will bow. That is the reason why your bowings count. You see what I say? So the girl bow you up and deal with you wicked on the biggest show in the world till BOGDANOVICH come boy him apologize. BOGDANOVICH, move. Move. Move BOGDANOVICH. Leave it alone. Go and talk to Scatter and make Scatter educate you upon General Poop. How many people him go up on stage and disrespect in a Jamaica? You come and apologize. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Learn the history of General Poop before you apologize. Understand? Where you want to put in your arm and hush him? Eh? Leave it alone. You run come and apologize to Bounty Killer. And the whole of you they have Ishawna around you. You see easy. You see that's why we can't trust you know. You see that's why people afraid. You see that's why people afraid to trust you know. Look how quick you're ready to sell out the sister. Look how quick. And she used to be around you know. You're ready enough for run come apologize. Me not even want to read the apology. Me just see the headline and I go for that because you're in a business tonight. Leave it alone. You just come and take Sumfest and I do music and I go on good and all of them something there. Leave this alone. Make whosoever want this Bounty Killer, diss him. Leave it alone. You see? Because nobody no come boy come apologize when Bounty Killer do nothing. You never yet see a promoter come forward and apologize to nobody when go up on them stage got this boy. Nobody. He go up on the same stage year after year after year after year and disrespect a portion of people when I trouble him. You see what I say? Put stigma upon a whole heap of youth boy. You see? Some succumb to him assault and some stand strong and survive. Enough youth no survive boy through bounty killer. All who never bust no know the history of bounty nasty killer. Enough youth, enough of the youth them where they drown him. Suck home to him fuckery and not even bust. So we don't go talk about the few of them will come through. We don't know how much him tarnish. And nobody that him gone to the drunker. You see? So we can go and play hypocrite. The truth shall be here. General Pop, you got bowed up. Facts. Now you can take this and hate me a little more till you can't hate me no more. Hate me until you know not even say you know what. Hate me until you know what. When you know what, when you pray for me drop down and dead. The truth I got always there. The truth ain't going nowhere. You see? DJ Wildfire say, Killer the General, you can't shut him down. You're not tired. DJ Wildfire Blue. DJ Wildfire Blue. You accompany my page. I defend General Poop. Show me one post where you defend one of the girl them when try to tear down. That you do. Show me one something where you go burn him out and say, yo, leave Alkaline alone, and he put out him album the other day. When Alkaline put out him album the other day, what him do? Take the man album and put on the page and about garbage. I just what did that. I must say last year that happened. When I go on a General Poop and nobody boy. Go move. You say you're DJ in a neutral. You is a listen me no man. Go on where you go here. When him come out the other day and take the youth album and put on him page and I say the youth album are garbage and the youth album are trash. And the youth perform at a show and because the youth never did go on good like how him want the youth to go on good. Him take the man thing and post it and say the man flop. And right after him go to Jamaica go do a show and flop like dog. And everyone I want to see him flop like dog and none of them post it. None of them say nothing. When you come out and defend him now. Where Alkaline do him just what they when him put out him album. When him about him match up now and him mature now and him grow up now. Grow up where? Not just what the Alkaline put out album you got their style the youth. Just what the man put out him album and you disrespect the youth you know. And call the man all kind of name, batty fish, all kind of name you call the man what they you know. Just what they you know, so quick you grow up. So so you turn big man when you are 49. So I'm to 48 and 47 and 46 and 45 and 44 and 43 and 42 and 40 and 41 and then something there. You never grew up them time there. I just our COVID grow you up. COVID give you enough time to sit in your house and reflect on all the fuckery where you do. Not just what the little youth put out them album and the youth they never trouble you yet. The youth they never this year yet. You know look at dirty drunk crowd. You go on and allow me you know. You know go on when I go you know. Go on when I go. Go move. When you go wait until somebody else says something, when you can go up and feed them page, go talk, when I talk, say about big up the general. The general a pop. I just what the man put out him album, just what he and him run out and disrespect the man. Big time. And when people go up on the page and say, why you take set on the youth? He matter about say, him no no friend in a batty fish and a what you call him? Alka fish. Just what you call the youth alka fish and nobody in a bumbo clock do no video and apologize to Alkaline. Where the video they want to apologize? Where the video they were you General Pope? Where the video they apologize to Alkaline? Where the video they? At least we say Footer I come say yo the youth do something good even though we know say see Footer they done say and but at least Footer come and say the youth do something good and big up the youth. Figure $1 million in Jamaica. Where the fuck you would all you have to grow up? All you have to grow up and start take the high road and you know this and you disrespect so much people and apologize. Yeah, we are all accountable. Move yeah no go. We have the voice right now for talk. Uno can't stop we. We have the voice. We have platform. We have Vice. We have Instagram. We have Facebook. We have Twitter. We have every fucking thing now. And we have YouTube. We have everything. Uno can't stop we from talk. And like one time we have to go up on stage for uno buckle we. Cause one time we couldn't go up on stage go talk. That's why we wait so long for talk. When I about look that gone long time ago blah blah blah. Them time we couldn't go up on stage go talk. Uno da buckle we. Uno da run we off. So look how we turn. Now we see a woman taking picture and sit down on him face and pop. Bam! All that. Boy, you come out about say general your ass. Go away! Boy, your video there were there when him diss the youth. The youth put out him album and him disrespect the youth. Where they were there when him a try pin the youth them against each other. Him a try pin massacre against the next youth. A big old man in a music a try cheer and war in a music. What wanna do there? Move! Go and yam shit. Move! If nobody else is gonna tell you no, I am going to tell you no. I don't care about zero. No one say, oh, I'm gonna find a song. I'm gonna do a song. I do enough song in my life. I do 25 years in the music. I grow up, I mature now to me. I take the high road. I don't want to do no more music. Fuck off. But one general way. One general way. Where Alkaline do him the other day when the man works so hard on him album. Him couldn't just make that one they go on and take the man album and post on him page and about when call it? When call the man well album in name again? Well Alkaline album in name again? Well Alkaline mother the name. Well Alkaline album in name again. The man take the man album and put on page and then a talk about here we can this thing now. Him start post up some other youth. Zin and I say Alkaline the man an artist. I see the man go to Jamaica and sell out a whole stadium. Wanna go BOGDANOVICH, stay out of it. Stay out of it. You come as a little white man at Jamaica and we see and like you. Move. And stay out of it. Move. Top prize. You have no flop prize. I call the man album flop prize. Flop prize. And the man never trouble you. The man is trouble you. The youth are doing thing and I live him life and I hold him high road and now. You know if you see the youth at Jamaica, one time the youth they are Jamaica and be a police thing and one bag of something and the youth say, you know what, I don't need a life then, I hold a high road. Zane? And we have to respect the youth. She said the youth hold a high road and act like a person who do business and them thing there. So I say the man put out him album, you put the man album on your page but flap prize. And I come now boy you hold high road. Which high road? Move! You just can't answer nobody, you can't retaliate to nobody because you're going to lose a little digital food where your back's out of acting mouth. Move! You know so you're going to lose a little digital food. Go away. You think so nobody a come boy, you think so no bad man will rate you again. No bad man will rate you again. Nobody will rate you again. All of the little man they around you, them know say a true me attack. The whole of them around you know say a true me attack. Garfield, everybody. The whole of them around you know say a true me attack. Them know say a true me attack. Trust me. Them know say a 100% true me attack. The man them don't rate you again. Because the man them say you are one of the biggest sewage in the business. Enough youth could have reached far and the music could have reached far. Enough youth could have been bigger than the music and what you do? You sing it and tear them down. Enough youth could have reached far in the music and we could have built more champion in the music. Even the one where you build, you try to tear down. Even the one where you claim so you build, you go back and try to tear them down. You're not a good person. You need to come boy, you come cleanse your sin. You need to come boy, you come apologize to people you disrespect and people you hurt. Move! You know people you disrespect boy, you come boy, you hold high road. And I come call the girl that you try hold the high road and I call the girl Dancehall mattress. That's why I tell you, say them girl no fi go in them front, you know. Girl no fi go in the front, you know. Because now she's a dancer, now she a Dancehall mattress. Now she a Dancehall mattress. Let me tell you something. Even if me and my baby man on a deal and you call her a Dancehall mattress, me I come tell you about something wicked. Me I go diss you. Because you are going now, I'm a pitney mama. So foot a hype you need to make Bunty-Killer know himself. Because you're a pitney mama. Alright, excuse me. Me take that back because she make you see alien. Yo, she make you see alien. She make you see alien up on Mars. So me take it back. Me take it back. But no somebody mother that. No somebody mother you call Dancehall mattress. Move! Move! The girl in trouble you. The girl put out her song in 2017. You go talk about say the girl can't come on stage or come sing the song and change all your microphone. After all we know say you're a bowcat. Yeah, change microphone, but you're not using mic with the girl use. Move! That is whole street no know say your biggest bowers. Go away! Go away! No, but you're not do no show with the girl. Yeah, man tell the promoter them so no. Any of the girl they no show, him not do the show. Oh, you see a little girl try a little one thing. Every man boy ya sing say girl fi take hood in them throat. Everybody boy ya sing but take hood in a throat and all kind of something, right? And this girl you know, She go up that brave. Cause Cecile did try it and nearly kill her. See? Cecile tried and said, do it to me, baby. I wanna nearly kill her. Una all hypocrite we about long time. Well, I wanna about long time. Right? Una nearly kill Cecile. We said, do it to me, baby. Do it to me, baby. I wanna nearly kill Cecile. And the girl said, she go try again. And the girl tried one time. I said, bumper to your nasty forehead. Bumper to your forehead. You run come up about say, yo, me not do no show with her any show. Any show me the punch you can't come from the show. What you try do? Now stop a little girl food. Now stop you try stop a little girl food. A little girl just come to music. You are trying stop a little girl food, boy, you not do no show with the girl. So the girl just wait until the rise school. You're going to everybody forget to you do them. Eh? Everybody if you just take the high road, everybody if you just forget it. No. No, because your fans them no want you get boof. And your fans them no want nobody clat you. That no means that people forget. The girl do her song and she never call her name. She never see you. She don't know say. You don't nobody. She never put your name in the song and say, yo, she want put the pum pum on your forehead. I'm sure no so she never have you in mind when she sing the song. And say she want put bumper to forehead. Because your forehead gone way back. Remember say the ape them have the forehead them will go back, you know. I remember say you're from the ape, the planet of the apes. So she never even have you in her thinking when she do that the song them sure because she wouldn't want to put like me with a big forehead. No, maybe she don't think about me or maybe she don't think about maybe she don't think about her stat a big forehead. Zin? She never even think about you. Because your forehead go back. And your mouth come forward. Zin, because you have the features there. You see what I say? So you come now about say, boy, you take high road and I call the girl dancer mattress and the dirty media house people them. Them would even say, yo, you know what? I could leave it alone, yeah, because I wanna come now. Oh, I wanna put in a headline. I hear one of the media house now. Hear one of the media Dancehall magazine them. Hear Dancehall magazine because I know say a film paper that you know. Hear them now. Oh, Bounty Killer this Ishawna up on the stage, are paraphrasing, and went into his misogynistic dancehall hits. Listen, people. The media house where support Bounty Killer, where a Bounty Killer feed them artists, where them write all good things sweet and dandy about. Hear them. The artists disrespect up on the stage and then went into his misogynistic 90s hits. Them a tell us that the man is misogynistic, you know. And that them a tell us, you know. And that them a tell us about the man, you know. I will not try defaming. You see how God work? God me could not talk the truth. I will not even realize. See how God work? You come boss, you leave them to God. Leave them to wish God. Leave them to wish God. Wish God you talk about. After nobody trouble you, so you feel leave people to God now. Oh, nobody never trouble you. Lexus never trouble you. Me sure of that. 100% sure. Lexus never trouble you. Me sure of that. Alkaline never trouble you. Me sure of that. 100% sure say Alkaline never trouble you. Me sure of that. 1000% sure. And you campaign the youth name when the youth are bust. The youth come with him look image and come with him look tattoo eye. And I say, yeah, what this him I go try use and eat a food to feed him family, you know. He's a youth come forward and say, I try a thing to feed him family, you know. And the man sing a lyrics. Alright, so the man sing a lyrics. Look how much stage you go up and say, man about cat and me no friend fish. Look how much time when you go up on stage go make mistake and sing that. Eh? And your fans them make you go on. Your fans them low, you make you go on. One more time you go past here and say, man about cat and me no friend fish and catch yourself and say, yo, pull up. Enough time you do it past stage and make mistake. One more time about you, man about and pull up when you catch yourself. So if a man can sing a little song, if you don't like the song, you know say your thing that. You know just allow the youth, make the youth go on, man. The youth never trouble your virgin. And you take set on the youth for years and years and years. The youth now the business must be about 10 years. And you that thing say you allow the youth because the youth survive. The youth put out him album what the year run come at about flap price and alka fish. I call the man alka fish. Or you call the youth alka fish. I call one of our brother alka fish. Eh? Everybody you call fish. Everybody you call Batman. Everybody you call this. Eh? But yet see the gun of a Safari page gone about kaboom. When Safari the pam video twerk out backside. Move! Think you can't trick nobody, boy. Yeah? Go away. You and your fans them. You and your little bias fans them. Remember that. You don't go enough on the internet. Make one who need go in a venue go fling a buckle off Aishan. Why you never do the show? Why you never go on the show and defend him against Aishan? You see it? You not even go and show them. You move. Move. Someone want to live a foreign and go back to Jamaica. Move. Go away. You know internet fans. When last you buy a Bounty Killer album or a Bounty Killer CD or a Bounty Killer something? When last? When last you buy something for Bounty Killer? When last? You just depend on internet, you can get the likes and the views. I want to make a comment, people like it and agree, I want to feel like say, yeah, that is all about life. That is not all about life. Do unto others as you will have them do unto you. It not say when. It not say when they will do unto you. It say as you will have them do unto you. That means that time is the master. You see? The hyenas them, when they catch a lion we're wounded, then bite the shit out of him, then tear him to pieces. So we see a wounded lion and we know at bloodly making no say you see how much time you come around you come try to tear way up. Wounded lion. Cause the lion gone off, you know, the only thing left now is the cat. Because you know so the lion is a cat. So the lion gone out, you know, it's only a damn cat left. And Ishawna come put the seal on it and put you on the stage and put you for lay down and sit down on your head and pop. General pop. Bam! Is not everybody boy an idiot. Big up on yourself, real people. Let me tell you something. With the realm, the whole of we must left one day. Leave with your soul clean. Don't dead a hypocrite. Don't dead bias. Don't dead I give some people praise for evil. Don't do it. Do not do it. Talk the truth. Speak the truth and speak it ever, cause it what it will. You can't come in at a warrior people. You can't take no side about nobody. This the general Ishawna, this the general. Leave it alone. Leave it. Because the general him this the sister first. And him say she a dancehall mattress. That means him gonna sleep with her too. And him gonna bow up on her too. Him gonna eat the pum pum too. So you don't know. Leave it alone. You know they bite up on yourself now. What if you see she and General Poop go do a song next week? You not gonna feel like dog. You not gonna feel shame. Because General Poop not have no standard. General Poop go up on the stage go work the next night after them disrespect him. Him not have no standard, he lose everything. How the man give him some money and take and hold on him publishing as collateral. You know if you understand them thing, they just what him have to give a man some in publishing for hold on and take a piece of money. Real artists who work over the years and save them money and buy up land and house and them thing. Them not have to do that. General Poop gone to the dogs and accept it or just die with it. Come on people. Wise up. No man no better than nobody boy. The whole of we are human being. Talk the truth man. You see what I say? I want to make so much murder and killer there in that place because I know so some man do fuck around and still support them brethren. Talk the truth man. Correct a man and him wrong brethren. Correct a man and him wrong and make a man know so you're wrong brethren. You're wrong. You trouble the sister and the sister clot your back. Just leave it alone and move on. That's it man. That's it man. Stop talking about so she disrespect the man and she a classless and she this and she that. The man where she this not have nothing named class. He not even in the class. But intellect. Intellect and nastiness. Where intellect come from? Or you get intellect and bounty killer in the same sentence? Eh? You know no class, brethren. You're going to just move on and forget all the things them you do. Look how much years you're there with the angel. And you wouldn't even give the woman a little respect. She go give her the pum pum or whatever she do. You come and see a shit in the girl head. Or shit in her bed. Come on, brethren. Grow up, man. Boy, you're big. What? Move. Come apologize to the people when you disrespect, boy. We not stop beat you. We not stop beat you. We not stop clot you. You know why we have to clot you? Because we see the media people, them always, and the little vlogger them, like teach them and the whole of them, go on like say, them can't call out the fuckery what you do. Go on let them afraid of you. Them not say you have an old lion and your teeth them drop out. Them not say that. When I go to wait until him dead to tell him say, yo, for you say him did wrong? Tell him no when him alive. The merciless just gone at 51. Tell the man no, say yo, I be a fuckery they do, and you need to just make things right with the youth, them with your disrespect, and that's it, virgin. You understand me, I say, B? We have children, me have 7 youth, nobody thinks say yo, when them man they talk things and people on the internet and them fans them take it and tell you, and them fans them get up every day about gigas and them something there. It no might not affect me, no, but my youth them now, my youth them a get big now and them they on the internet and search them father. You think my youth them feel good and them see somebody address me as gigas? It a gonna affect them, but me have to just educate them and make them know say, yeah man, that's a earth stay man, you know, so when you do good, people will tear you down and people will try and mash you up. But you know, for use this as an example and say on the father did stand firm on the father was very, yes when I say hard working, yes when I say, and because your father work hard and your father never make it get to him and never make it bring him down. That's why you can have a roof over your head, that's why you can go to school, that's why you can get on education and you can come be better people in society. You understand? Me soon dead and gone, so when me dead and gone, the haters, them and them people, them are going left with the misery. You understand? But me just make certain say me work hard and save something for them. Because guess what? If me didn't allow them to tear me down, me only can provide for them. And so me have to educate them. But nobody feel say my youth, them not feelings too. You come talk about your whole high road. You come both say, your intellect now. Where? Move. Yeah, you dirty idiot fans them. We can't tell her the truth. I come call the girl Dancehall mattress and they sitting there. You be just hold that beating the virgin and just know say you are beating you get, and you just take your beating and just say you are. So you go. You better you never answer. Here you fool now. Hear me know say you turn clown. You turn the biggest clown in the music. You take some little vloggers when nobody not even know. You worse than me, because more time me talk about some, me go take out some people where nobody not even know and give them limelight. You can't even talk for yourself again, you know. You take some little vlogger go a post on your page and disrespect the woman. Where them are doing in your war? Them little vlogger boy, them little vlogger idiot, them little vlogger. It come like then that. It come like if you say whoop, if you tell them say whoop them out. If you go to them vlogger boy right now and say open them out, put your tongue in there. The whole of them that whoop them out and take you. Remember me tell you that them are straight. Them come like some. Listen me, man. They come like some big market girl. Smarty, this is your run, so they're gonna make a video. They run gonna make a video. I defend you. And you tell them, so right now, open your mouth. Make your tongue in there. The whole of them run up. Whole of them run up. Them would even say, yo, let's stay up on the side because of you, the trouble, the sister. Women, you see, woman, you see, woman are good sitting, you know. A woman can be dangerous, you know. A woman don't forget nothing, you know. You will give a woman born 5 years ago, you know. 5 years ago, you give a woman a little bun, you know. And you think so she forget.